It's a rainy day, and my friend Johnny here and I were looking for a fun project to do. I happen to know that Johnny likes salad.
Yes, I do.
So we thought it'd be fun to plant Johnny a salad. We went to the store and we looked for a fun container to use. And we found what?
A ducky wastebasket.
A ducky wastebasket. Now that's an unusual container, but all I had to do was drill some holes in the bottom for drainage and we're ready to go. So the ducky's ready, I'm ready, you're ready? Let's plant. Well, the first thing we have to do, Johnny, is put something over the holes so the soil doesn't leak out. So we're gonna cut a big piece of window screen and stick it down in there, cover the holes. And now it's time to put in the dirt. You ready? Get your scoop. Let's start scooping. All right, Johnny, time to pick plants. So you wanna pick the first plant? Okay, what are you gonna pick?
Lettuce and
Nasturtiums?
Yeah,
Nasturtiums, okay. You pick the lettuce and the nasturtiums, and I'm gonna pick the pansies. First, we have to take it out of its pot. And let's put it kind of up there. Okay, so the duck has hair. Squeeze it in, squeeze it in, squeeze it in. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And then we're gonna stick the nasturtium in the very back. He's got a little leaf in his face. We got everything in there?
Yep.
Okay, how's that?
Yep, the ducky's
All right.
full.
The ducky's full, okay. I like that. The last thing we have to do is we have to put a little dirt in to fill the holes. Can you do that?
I filled my hole up.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did a good job. Are you wiping them on your pants? Oh.
Now I'm dirty again. I'm gonna have to wipe it back on my pants.
All right, all right. Oh, well, who's gonna go?
Garden show. It's all about getting dirty. What do you think?
Oh, look at that. He's got a little hat. Look
Yeah.
at, oh, he's so cute. Look at that. The flowers on his head. Excellent. The last thing we have to do? Water. Oh, careful, careful, careful.
Then we'll be done.
Then we'll be done. Okay, pour some water in.
Just watering the hole that's
Yeah?
right by me.
Well, what you're doing is you're settling all the soil so the plants settle in nicely so they can grow well.
Whoa, that's a lot of water.
Let's give them a bath. Oh, that's much better. So, Johnny, are you gonna eat this salad?
Yes!
Good, good. Then job accomplished.
Maybe all of us will eat everything.
Oh, okay.